Okay, so ito yun. Ayan. So, hindi ko alam kung pwede tayong pumunta sa loob. Pero we will try. Ay, I think pwede. And then, ito yung paligid niya. Okay. So, later on, we will try the other. Okay. So, let's go. Ayan yung harapan. So, this is the place that I'm looking for. So, I saw it. So, let's go inside. Okay, you see this? Yeah. Okay. See? Nakita natin tong kalalakad natin. So, we just need to walk. See this. So, we'll go upstairs. So, ito yung unang makikita rito. Then we'll go upstairs. And then, this is it. Okay. So, this is only around Danok. Okay. So, ito yung surroundings niya. Okay. Yeah. This is their beliefs. Okay. So, you see? We saw it. When you go upstairs, this is the things that you see here upstairs in the temple. So yeah, and the big one, and then all of these. Yeah, this is upstairs. Okay. See. So this is most likely what will you see here in this temple. So mostly elephants. Okay. Let's go inside. So this is what we see here inside. This is inside the temple. A while ago we are upstairs and now we are inside the temple. So this is what we see here. Okay. So at least I have something to do in here. So this is what you see here inside. Okay, it's very good. Magaling. What do we call this? Doing things like this. They have so many beliefs. See this? It's very good. So bawat isa, ayan yung mga creations nila. So this is their belief, so we must understand and we must respect every belief that we have. So ito, I see this when I go to Wat Kun. Yeah, I think. Okay. So I think that's all. This one is a green. Yeah, I don't know the significance, but it's green. Okay. So thank you. So a while ago we see what's inside the temple upstairs. Now we are go to the side of the temple. This is the side of the temple. Yeah, this is the side of the temple. Sa gilid lang siya. Okay.